Ever pondered why some individuals strike it big with affiliate marketing while you're stuck in a rut? The secret isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Allow me to introduce you to the unseen titans of affiliate marketing. Bankrate, NerdWallet, Penny Hoarder, and Expedia. Surprisingly, these powerhouses don't own a single product. Instead, they rake in hundreds of millions in affiliate commissions annually. Their secret? They've deciphered the code to affiliate marketing. Today, Vic Stryzuse, the founder of the ABS Affiliate Business System, reveals the secret model that's earning him $300,000 a month in commissions. This model is so effective, yet so discreet, it's akin to possessing the keys to a hidden treasure trove. So, to introduce myself, I'm Ernie from QuoCentric, and I was once in your shoes. Struggling to make ends meet in a sea of affiliates, using archaic methods that no longer yield results. That all changed when I stumbled upon the method used by the pros, an extraordinary strategy that doesn't just work, it operates on autopilot. Picture launching a business that not only achieves but surpasses your income goals. A business that you can establish in 1 week, a mere 7 days or less. Even if you're starting from ground zero. Join me for a live demo where we will showcase a ready-to-go business in a box that will position you at the epicenter of profit-making activity within just 7 days. This isn't merely a training session, it's the blueprint for your success. And because we are dedicated to your success, we are offering exclusive access to the most sought-after products in high demand right now. Products that will grant you the highest commissions and set you apart from the masses. This is about more than just making money. It's about designing a life you adore, abundant in freedom and devoid of financial stress. A life where your business operates seamlessly in the background while you relish what truly matters. If you're ready for a genuine breakthrough, spare a moment to click the link in the description below this video right now, or visit quocentric.com/abs-wf-webinar. And sign up for our private invite-only workshop where the secret to true success will be unveiled. Spots are limited, and believe me, you do not want to miss this. This is your moment, your opportunity for the real deal. Let's make it a reality together. Click now and let's embark on this journey.